Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my videos, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are going to be making this rice and plantain fufu. Now wait till one make today. Now be that one. I see that picture when I see for the beginning. Yes, now wait till one make today. Now be that one. So you go believe say that one are rice and plantain fufu. So let's get into the video. As you all can see, I added a cup of rice in my bowl and I added hot water for a few minutes for it to be stoked. Okay, after that one I wash the rice and I pour it in my blender, and here is the plantain we are going to be using. I use just only 2 plantain, depends on the quantity you want, guys. So this is what I want, so I cut it in a smaller size and I added it to my blender. So that is what we are doing here. We are going to be blending it and pour it in our pot to make the fufu. Okay, so guys, please, if you are trying this, make sure your blender is very strong. If not, na iso kana you go eat. Now remember that rice wey dey eat that time, na rice abi na corn, go make jaka. So if not, na that one na you go eat, you understand? So make sure your blender is very strong to blend the rice. Okay, so now the thing they do like this. So my people, if you know say you don't watch this video, reshare, you never follow, you never like, you never share, you never leave your comments. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, now make una press that follow button. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God bless you all as well today. Support you again, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Florence Basic Hair TV. That is the name of our YouTube. Okay, so thank you guys for joining, and I will see you all in my next video. Please watch this video to the end and see the result yourself. So thank you guys, and I will be leaving you all here. Bye for now.